um other gentlemen. He just didn't look like himself, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I tell my wife, I say, we didn't get nothing from Graham Mertz in this game. We got nothing. We got nothing from Graham. He didn't look like a leader. He did not look poised. He didn't look under control. Graham looked confused. I never seen this Graham Mertz. I never seen this version of him ever before in the Gator uniform. I don't question his judgment. I don't question his leadership. I know he giving the program everything that he got. It just may be that I wanted to think that it was a player issue, but I'm coming to the realization, Alex, it's not a player problem. We got a coaching problem. And we don't know how to prepare to win games. And we don't have a plan of action when we get punched in the mouth. We don't. I mean, but that's been Billy MO since he got there. So yeah, we in a lot of trouble. Gator
So,
Nation is in trouble.
so what do you think going down the line in 2024? What do we need? What do we need to change? What do we need to, do to start playing white as a team?
As I said before, Alex, at this point, it's too late for all the changes. You got 8 months to do that. It's time to play football. None of that matter no more. Either Billy gonna move out the way and let Russ Callaway call the plays, or Billy gonna call the plays and we gonna have another quarterback on a stretcher. It's simple. It's that simple. The offense that he
Oh,
loves so much, the offense that he loves so much, got his quarterback knocked out the game. The right tackle that he brought with him from Louisiana, not bashing him, because he probably shouldn't have been out there at right tackle. But if that's the best player we got at right tackle, then I say play him. But if that's the best that we got, you might as well put a freshman out there and let him grow, and we could live with the growing pains if the upside is just as good as his best side. It's too late for changes, Alex. It's time to play the game.
and I agree. You, you know, you know, it's time for Billy Napier to put on his big boy pants and call the plays.
Well, that's what Billy been doing. He been calling the plays. That's why Graham Mertz got knocked out the game.
But
That's
but
exactly why.
but do you see what I'm saying, partner? Just
Oh yeah, oh
this
yeah, oh yeah.
and this team to me last night was not ready to 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 play. Yeah, they got a
And
touch.
who fault is that? Who fault is that? Because they not ready to play. The man that you paying $56 million to. If I paid you $56 million or however million dollars it is, don't you think your football team should be ready to play after
Yeah,
8 months of training?
yeah, yeah, but I'm just giving you my opinion here. They to
Hmm.
me on TV they wasn't ready to play. against the Miami offense. It was a, 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 atrocious, you know?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You absolutely on point. I mean, you won't get no gripes out of me. They wasn't ready. It wasn't ready. I 100% agree. They paying him all this money for what? For what? Billy ain't proved it in year one. He ain't proved it in year two. And now it's year three. And guess what? The worst part of it is it looked like it's year one. All the coaches that done got hired at the same time, Billy got hired, doing way better than Billy. I don't know what it's gonna take for him to wake up, but I just come to the realization that he's not a good fit for Florida. I love Billy the person. I love Billy Napier the man. I don't love Billy Napier the coach. I
Um,
love Billy Napier the man. He's a great man. I just don't like Billy Napier the coach. But I love the man. Now, with the man, we could sit down and talk forever. We could talk football all day. I just don't want to talk football about my team with him.
is there any closing remarks? Um, you know, um, for this game, and what is your keys looking forward to this next game against the next opponent that's on the schedule. Uh,
Yeah, so my keys is to get DJ as many snaps as you can, get him as many looks as you can, run a system that he comfortable with, and just get DJ ready, man. You got schools all across the nation starting freshman quarterbacks. It is what it is, bro. At this point, we have nothing to lose. I mean,
I mean, I
we're
mean
a foot
this.
we're a
I mean this
mhm.
game was. I'm sorry, Adrian. This
Are you okay?
game, this game was atrocious. I mean, I'm sorry to interrupt, but go ahead.
Hmm. Yeah, well, like I said, closing remarks. Let's just get DJ the ball and let him learn. Let him learn how to play football on a collegiate level, and
Okay.
I'm okay with that. So, yep,
Well,
get DJ the ball.
well, we'll have we'll have better audio for you guys next week. Um, I just decided to do it this way, so so it would be easier for me to do it, you know, with you know with our guest and you. Um, so is do you know what time that we're gonna do the next episode?
No, I don't know, but we can get together and discuss it at a later date in the week.
Will was it was it too much for you about 7 o'clock or
I don't think 7 o'clock was terrible. You know, if that's what y'all wanna try and aim
or
for,
or
then we can
or
try and aim for 7 o'clock.
or 7:30. That
7 o'clock sound manageable.
yeah. Um,
Hmm.
and I hope that the gentleman, that we were supposed to be on here together. And again, I'm sorry about that. Just wanted to get his thoughts of the game first, but
Oh yeah.
maybe
Oh yeah.
it'll all work out for for next for next week's show. Do you see
Oh
what
yeah.
I'm saying?
Oh yeah. It'll work out. Yeah, it'll work out. So if we gonna link up next week at 7 o'clock, then we could give it a shot. It should work.
Um, hopefully the gentleman will join us. Like he
Yeah, it's
he
okay. It's okay. We'll get together.
he 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 was on here earlier, but he
Yeah,
couldn't.
yeah. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, that's
He,
cool.
he just couldn't stay longer than just a couple
Hmm.
minutes because he's got two boys that he's gotta feed. Uh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Yeah, you ain't even got to go into details. It's cool. We all good. We all good. We scheduled for 7 o'clock next week. That sound good to me.
okay. Um,
Hmm.
I I
Other
just
than that,
have
I'm cool. Go
I'm
ahead. Go
just
ahead. Sorry about that.
I'm just trying to 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 work it out for everybody. The
Oh
reason
yeah.
that
Oh yeah.
I moved it back a little bit because I want our guest, to in, introduce himself you know, and plus
Okay. Okay.
and and plus he was coming home from the game. He you know what I mean. So
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, like I say, man, it's been good, man, and it's been good, and I look forward to meeting up with them, and hopefully us three can get together and we can put a show together. And I had fun. I'm sorry that we lost the way we did. It's an embarrassment to everybody, and and so we just want everybody to stay positive, man, and we'll keep praying that things get better. And at the end of the day, it's just a game. So um, we look forward to speaking with you soon, and we love you, man, and take care of yourself, and yeah,
um
man, we just look forward to talking with you soon.
well well um this was episode one of our show for the 2024 Gators season. I'm sorry about my partner's audio, but that happens, and we'll put together a good a good show for you next week, guys.
Until next time, go Gators.
Adios, guys, and God bless.
Adios, amigos. Peace.